Good morning, students. Let us solve more questions of AP. The ratio of the 11th term to the 18th term of an AP is 2 is to 3. Find the ratio of the 5th term to the 21st term and also find the ratio of the sum of the first 5 terms to the sum of the next 15 terms. Okay, students. So students, you can see ratio of 11th term to the 18th term is given to us 2 is to 3. A11 upon A18 equals to 2 is to 3. So we can write A11 A plus 10D upon A18 can be written as A plus 17D equals to 2 upon 3. Now student, cross multiplication, 3A plus 30D, 2A plus 34D. Now students, take the like terms one side, 2A will transpose this side and 30D will transpose this side. So it will be 3A minus 2B equals to 34D minus 30D. A equals to 4D. Okay students, it is equation number 1, student. Now we have to find the ratio of 5th term to the 21st term. So student, we have to find out A5 upon A21. A5 can be written A plus 4D. A21 can be written A plus 20D. Now we are going to put value of A from equation number 1, student. At the place of A, we can put 4D. So A5 upon A21 equals to, at the place of A, we have to write 4D. 4D plus 4D and 4D plus 20D. So A5 upon A21 equals to 448D upon 24D. DD cancel, student. 8 3 is 24. So A5 is to A21 equals to 1 is to 3. Now students, we have to find out the ratio of the sum of the first 5 terms to the sum of the next 15 terms. So this is the sum formula, student. Sn equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Let us find out sum of 5 terms. So sum of first 5 terms, we have to put n equals to 5, student. N equals to 5, 2a as it is, plus at the place of n we have to write 5, 5 minus 1d. 5 minus 1d equals to 4d. And a value we are going to put from equation number 1. So at the place of a we can put 4d. Okay students. So 2 4 is 8d plus 4d, 12d. 2 6 is 12. Now student, x5 equals to 30d. This is the sum of first 5 terms. Now students, we have to find the sum of the next 15 terms. So students, sum of the next 15 terms equals to S20 minus S5. Okay. From the sum of 20 terms, if we subtract the sum of first 5 terms, then we can get sum of next 15 terms. S5 we have already obtained. Now students, we are going to find out S20. S20 equals to, at the place of n we have to write 20. Okay student. So 20 upon 2, 2a plus 20 minus 1d. S20 equals to 10, 2a plus 19d. Now student, we are going to put value of a from equation 1. This is the equation 1. So at the place of a, we can put 4d. 4 to the 8d plus 19d. 18 and 8 and 19, 27d. S20 equals to 270d. This is S20, student. To get the sum of next 15 terms, we have to subtract S5 from S20 S20 value 217D and S5 30D. S5 student 30D or S20 equals to 270D. When we have subtracted then value S equal to 240D. This is the sum of next 15 terms. So student, we have to find out the ratio of sum of first 5 terms to the sum of next 15 terms. I have supposed the sum of next 15 terms as S. That's why I have written here S5 upon S. S5 value student 30D and S means next 15 terms sum 240D. DD cancel, 0 cancel, 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24. The ratio of sum of first 5 terms to the sum of next 15 terms is 1:8. Okay students, let us take the next question. If an equals to 2n minus 3, nth term is given to us student, then check it forms an AP or not. Also find the sum of first 15 terms if it is an AP. So student, an is given to us. So by putting value of n equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4, we have to find out first 4 terms of the sequence. So let us put value of n1 first. A1 equals to 2 into 1 minus 3. 2 minus 3 means minus 1. A1 is A equals to minus 1. Putting n equal to 2 student. 2 into 2 minus 3. 4 minus 3. A2 equals to 1. Putting n equals to 3 student here. So A3 equals to 2 into 3 minus 3. So A3 equal to 6 minus 3. A3 equal to 3. Now student put n equals to 4. A4 equals to 2 into 4 minus 3. A4 equals 2 into 4 minus 3. A4 equals to 8 minus 3. A4 equals to 5. So now students, first 4 terms are minus 1, 1, 3, 5. Let us check it is an AP or not to get the difference. A2 minus A1, 1 minus minus 1 equal to 2. A3 minus A2, 3 minus 1, 2. A4 minus A3, 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Difference is same. It forms an AP. Now student, we have to find out sum of first 15 terms. A equals to minus 1 student. D equals to 2 and n equals to 15. Sn formula, because we have to find out sum here. Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Let us put the value of n, a and d. 15 upon 2, 2 into minus 1, 15 minus 1, d value 2. 15 upon 2, 2 into minus 1 equals to minus 2 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into 2, 14 to the 28, minus 2 plus 28, 28 minus 2, 26. S15 equal to 15 upon 2 into 26. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. S15 equal to 15 into 13. S15 equal to 195. Okay students. Okay then, have a nice day.